Hey guys, let's see how to connect a projector to the Wi-Fi. As you can see, I have my projector working here, and then I need to connect to the Wi-Fi if I want to communicate with my computer, for example, okay? Another option is to use a Roku stick or Firestick, something that you can connect here on the HDMI port, right? But if you don't have this option, you just need to enable the Wi-Fi here. You can come to the projector. So here, basically, I have the remote control, and then I just need to come here to home. That's the way this projector works. And on the top there, I have this option for here for the settings, right? When I click here on settings, then I have network settings. When I connect here, when I click here in network settings, it's gonna to show the information about the network that I can connect to, which means my routers. So here I have my signal for the router. So I'm going to connect to this one. So basically now it's connecting and I'm ready to go, okay? The first time that you connect to the Wi-Fi, it's going to ask for the password, so you need to know the password for your router, and you're okay, right? So it works pretty fine. That's the way it works. And basically now I can, from my computer, for example, I can just connect to the projector. Let's say, for example, here using this option, iOS Cast. When I click here, I'm gonna to enable this iOS Cast that allows me to connect from my computer. So instead of connecting to the Roku that I have there, I can come here and connect to the projector, because here, for example, when I click it, I have this option to screen mirror, and I can select whatever I want here. For example, iCast 6205, that's the projector, right? Because iCast is enabled there. So when I click it, it's going to connect and mirror to this screen, okay? So it's connecting right now. Just take a while, and here we go. So it's mirroring the screen right now, connected via iCast and via Wi-Fi. So if I just move something from here to there, let me just move to the side. There we go. It's working right now. And if I play something here, it's going to play here on my projector, because there's a speaker here on my projector. So when I just hit here, it starts playing. Okay, so it's working pretty fine. So that's the way you can enable Wi-Fi on your projector. You just need to go to the settings, select the Wi-Fi, choose the router, and connect that way, okay? And then you can just mirror the screen from here to there. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.